Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to post an image reply or even a comment reply on TikTok. I'm also gonna tell you what to do if you cannot find the option. So the thing is, the process is not actually complicated. All you need to do is open your comment section and you can find this gallery icon. Click on it and give your iPhone permission or whatever, and you're going to be allowed to click on any image and post it. So as you can see, I can just add the image. I also can go into any reply and click on the same icon and post the same image. Now I feel bad to the guy I'm spamming, but whatever. The thing is, guys, the reason you might not be able to see the option is because this feature is actually currently being tested in Egypt. It's rolling out slowly to the rest of the countries, but don't worry, you will be able to do it if you install a VPN and connect to Egypt. So don't worry, you'll be able to do it as long as you install a VPN that supports Egypt and connect to the country. It's going to be rolling out slowly to every other country. So the way you can install a VPN is on iOS. Obviously go to the iOS store and search for VPN. Actually, I've never installed a VPN on my iPhone before, but the one I can recommend on Android is one called RabbitVPN. Actually, I think I recognize this one. Okay, so just try it and post what works for you in the comments, maybe help someone else.